Hi, my name is Teresa, and I've worked at UTA since 2008. When I was younger, I owned my own landscaping business down in Vegas, where I maintained all of the equipment and vehicles. I learned how to do all the maintenance myself, read all the manuals. I came to Utah in 2008. I started cleaning trains down at the Midvale Yard. From there, I became a mechanic. I was promoted to a supervisor shortly after. Then I became assistant manager over maintenance. And then I was a vehicle maintenance manager for all of the tracks trains for UTA for the last 5 years. I like the people. I like what we do for our community. That's really important to me, to make sure that everybody comes to work every day and they're happy and they do a good job. They have the tools they need to be successful, and as a manager, that's what my job is, to help people be successful. I would tell everybody to apply for UTA, any entry-level position, and then just, set your sights high, go where you want to go. UTA has so many opportunities. You can stay in the maintenance field, move to operations. There's just endless opportunities. I would say go to the job fair, put in an application. You will not be disappointed. UTA is an excellent place to work. I love maintenance. I love everything about it. I love seeing people grow, learn, finding new ways to do things, continuously improving. Watching the light bulb come on when somebody actually gets what they're doing. So I really like the training opportunities that we offer the employees, so they're able to promote within UTA and have a career path. So that's important to me.